What's up, everyone? I'm Anastasia, a stretching coach, and today we are doing an intense middle split stretching routine for intermediate or advanced level. So get ready, wear something stretchy, something comfy, and let's get started. We begin, like as usual, with a gentle warm-up in a sitting position, our chest starting to move in circles. When we move forward with our chest, we press our knees down to the floor and round your back here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Open one leg to the side, straighten your knee. And here we do a gentle rotation in our spine, pushing our shoulder down to the floor. 1, and 2, and 3, and go all the way down. 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, good job, last one, 8, up, and with the exhale, we lean towards our open leg and gently come up. Let's do 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 3 more, 6, don't forget to breathe, 7, last one we hold, 8, we hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's switch legs. Straight posture, and we start with rotation, and 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Ready, to the side, exhale, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, last one we hold, 8, we hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good job, going up. From here we are moving into lunge. Our right leg is going forward, and we are going into deep lunge, straight posture, shoulders back. Relax your hips here. Exhale. And we are going to rotate our hips for the middle splits. Hands down, straight the back knee. Very important that the back knee is super straight. And we do the rotation to the middle lunge. Make sure you have a 90 degrees angle here in your feet. So your knee exactly up on your feet and back to the center. You can a little bit rotate extra. And 1, 2, and 3. Keep the angle. 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, and we stay here. You can either keep your hands on the floor, or if you feel super confident, you can put your hands in front of your chest, and we add pulses with our hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Switch. We gently slide to another leg and moving into lunge. straight posture. Relax your hips here, shoulders back, chest forward. Breathe deeply. Let's put our hands down, straight the back knee, and we start the rotation. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2. We hold here. And let's do pulses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. We're moving into Spider-Man exercise. Spider-Man exercise is we slide from one leg to another, keeping our hips as low as possible. Make sure your body is vertical. Do not lean forward. Now, if you want to challenge yourself a little bit here, you can try the Spider-Man without hands. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. A few more times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. From here, we are going down to our hips, opening our legs wide. Great. Now we do the hips mobility. We rotate one leg inside, putting our hip down and come back to center. Then switch to another one. Rotate inside to your maximum and back to center. Ready? Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Few more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job. Now we are moving into even more advanced exercise. We are going to straighten our inner thigh muscle that are helping us to achieve the best of our middle splits. We are using our quadriceps, and with our quadriceps, we're pushing our hip up and gently down. You will feel it here. Let's try up and down. If it's hard to you to do without hands, you can put your hands here, just near your knees, and help yourself to go higher and down. Ready? Let's try to do 8 times. 1 and 2. Use your muscles. And 3. The stronger your muscles, the deeper you will go into middle splits. 4 and 5 and 3 more. 6 and 7. Last one, we hold 8. We hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. We go down. Nice. From here, we are leaning side to side, increasing our stretching with the exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hands up. With the exhale, we lean forward. 1 and 2. Here is very important to rotate your hips inside. So move your hips forward and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Last one, we hold 8. We hold 1. 2, go as low as you can. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And gently going up. From here, we are moving to our knees. Whoop. Going on the side of the mat. One leg is to the side and we are going to straighten in the hips, the inner thigh again. We're going up as high as possible and gently down. Make sure you're not bending your elbows, you're not pushing, you're just using the muscle and down. Let's go 8 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Last one, 8. Good job. And from here we slide in one line. So we have knee, hips, knee and feet in one straight line. You can either stay here or go down to your elbows. And from here we push our hips forward and back. Use the hips rotation and we go 1 and 2 and 3. Make sure your knee is super straight. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Last one, 8. Great job. Gently come back to your knees. And let's prepare another leg. Hold straight. Now we use only our muscles. Let's do 8. 1. And for 1 millisecond, we hold the leg up. 2. Yes. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. Good job. And slowly slide down to elbows. And let's go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome, great job. Come back to your knees. Now we are fully ready to try our middle split. We are going to stay for 1 minute in our middle split. We start from the standing position. Boom. Straightening both of our knees, fully straight. And gently we start sliding to our lowest position. And hold on your lowest 60 seconds. Let's go. 60 seconds is done. Gently come up. So we are done for the day. Let me know in the comments, do you want a more advanced or intermediate routine, or you prefer the beginner one? Thank you very much for training with me. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments how did this routine felt for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're not going to miss any new stretching, fitness, Pilates or tutorial videos. And I'm going to see you very soon here on my channel. Bye!